Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll try to unbox this package from Flipkart. What I have received, the boAt 100 wired in the earphones. So these are the wired earphones. Nowadays, you'll see most of like Bluetooth headphones only. But most of the cell phones mobiles nowadays won't have this 3.5 mm headphone jack, and this is Motorola Edge 50 mobiles. So if you observe, there is no slot for 3.5 mm earphone plug-in slot, but I purchased this. I'll tell you how I'll use this. First of all, let me just unbox this boAt 100 wireless earbuds. Okay, yeah, see here, this is the package which is inside the box, and it is written like Bassheads 100. Okay, let me have a closer look up here. Hawk inspired design. See, this design is hawk inspired design. The design is pretty good in the picture, and super extra bass and voice assistant. Maybe you can use Google Gemini or Google Assistant here by using a long press on the button included on this wired earbuds. Let us check all those things once we open this. At the back side, you'll see the boAt branding, boAt, and if I do a closer look up, super clear microphone for the calls actually, and answer, hang up, play, pause. These are the control actions. The button, there are two buttons on the earphones. Okay, one is the mic and another is the control button. And technical specifications here: speaker size 10 mm, frequency range 22 to 20,000 Hz, sensitivity 103 decibels, impedance, okay, cable length 120 centimeters, plug pin 3.5 mm, okay, a lightweight ergonomic build 3.5, okay. These are the details. Just let me open this, the actual earphones inside this. Yeah, one thing I liked about this is the package is really good, and they given the pouch also, carrying pouch at the price of under 400. I'm getting this, that is pretty much good. And see here, it got 4.3 rating, that is very good rating. Yeah, and this is this warranty service okay card. Maybe I need to scan through that, the QR code. And these are the extra buds given, means adjustments actually. Okay, I'll just keep this. These are two pairs, okay, two pairs. And both the head, okay, and this may be the user manual. Okay, short and cute user manual. I'll be keeping this also aside for a moment. And these are the actual earbuds. Yeah, these are the earbuds, long enough earbuds. See here, 120 mm means the length you can see. And I'll try to open this one also. This material is also pretty good. This strap material is also pretty good. There's a boAt branding here also. Okay, just check the size here. Very very lengthy, to be honest, very lengthy. And the quality, the wire quality also looking decently good. Okay, this wire quality also silicone type of material, which is looking decently good. And let me check the controls here. And here you will see the boAt branding, and in the package it is mentioned like there are controls here. There is one button here I can see, and this is the mic. Okay, this is the mic and this is the button. If you are playing the music, you can use it for play and pause, and for when you receive a call, you can use it as a acceptance and disconnecting the call. All the things we need to just test one by one. And coming to the design now, you can see here the earphones. Yeah, the design is very good, very unique and very good. Maybe that's the reason it got very good ratings. Wow, they are looking absolutely premium. Just for the looks only I got very much impressed. Let me just plug into this. See here, as initially I said, there is no 3.5 mm headphone jack, right? So for that I already purchased this aux cable, which is C type 2, C type 2, and 3.5 mm converter cable. Okay, I'll be just plugging in this is just 200 rupees. If possible, I'll be dropping the link in the description for this, and if I'll try to attach the in the view products also. For more details you can just check it. Yeah, for phone I connected the C type, and for earphones I just connected this 3.5 mm headphone jack. And now I'll try to just insert these into my ears, and I'll try to play a song on my mobile. So initially I'll check how is the audio quality. Okay, I just try to play a song here. Now let me just keep this earphone. Yeah, the song is right now playing here, and there is the sound is not coming outside from the earbuds when you take this out. This is one good point. I just pause the song here. Just for a moment, I'll tell my initial experience about using this earbuds. The quality is decently good. The bass is decently good, because previously I used this JBL headphones which I purchased for 800 rupees, but these are like 5 years back, and the bass compared to those earbuds are slightly lesser. I feel the bass is medium, you can say. The voice clarity is really good. The thumping bass, it would be good if it is a bit more. Maybe the drivers, the bass drivers, if they are like 13 point something, that would be good. When I see the specifications here, it said like super extra bass. Okay, 10 point mm drivers. Yeah, 10 point mm, and I guess this is 13 mm drivers. Yeah, and I also have this Realme buds wireless 3 ear Bluetooth, and these are also 13 mm bass drivers. That's the reason I can feel more thumpier bass, but these are decently good. The bass is decently good. But people who expect especially for bass, they may they may feel these are a bit light. Except that, yeah, everything are very good. And in the detailed video, in the review video, I'll be posting a complete review video by taking the calls using these earbuds. But within this price range, if you compare within this price range, under 400 rupees, I feel pretty much worthy. This is my initial experience. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments, and please do comment about this connector also. Type C to 3.5 mm. This connector you can connect to the laptop also. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.